This structure is axillary artery. Okay, axillary artery starts from the outer border of first rib and terminates towards at the lower border of teres major. The termination or ending starting मैंने आपको बता दी, starting from outer border of first rib, termination where at the lower border of teres major. So this much area is of axillary artery. Understood? Now axillary artery has three parts. It is going underneath the pectoralis minor. This is your pectoralis minor muscle. So axillary artery is right underneath this pectoralis minor. So it has three parts: before the muscle, underneath the muscle, and after the muscle. So it has three parts: 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now the branches from the first part. This one. This is the superior thoracic artery. This is a lateral thoracic artery. This is lateral thoracic artery, and this is acromiothoracic artery. So these are the two branches coming out from the second part of axillary artery, and we can see this lateral thoracic artery will go alongside the chest wall like this, and it will give branches to mammary gland. What होगा mammary gland में? Lateral thoracic giving some branches to mammary gland, and the nerve which is accompanying this artery is the long thoracic nerve. This one. This is your long thoracic nerve which is accompanying by this artery. Understood? So this is the second part. Second part में से ये आ गया आपकी acromiothoracic, lateral thoracic which is alongside the chest wall. It is running alongside chest wall and it is giving branches to mammary gland, and the nerve which is accompanying the lateral thoracic, it is the long thoracic nerve which is going towards serratus anterior. Injury to this will cause winging of scapula. Chalo. Understood? So this is the third part of axillary artery. Third part will give you three branches. The name of the branches are, this is the anterior circumflex artery. Can you see anterior circumflex? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
बोलते हैं तो. Right posterior to that, this one.
Yes, sir.
Posterior circumflex artery. ठीक है? And these two artery, the name as per the name suggests, circumflex artery. It will go around the surgical neck of humerus. So one from the anterior side and one from the posterior side. So anterior circumflex artery and posterior circumflex artery around the surgical neck of humerus. Now the largest branch of axillary artery, this is subscapular artery, and it will go around the scapula and it will do the anastomosis around the scapula. Done? What are the branches? Done? Superior thoracic, acromiothoracic, lateral thoracic, anterior circumflex, posterior circumflex, and subscapular artery. These are the branches of all the branches of axillary artery. This is axillary vein. This is the continuation of basilic vein in the forearm. We have basilic vein in the arm and the forearm as well. This basilic vein continue as the axillary vein here, and the cephalic vein is draining into axillary vein, forming this vein, and this will go and meet with the internal jugular vein to form brachiocephalic vein. This is what? Subclavian now. This is subclavian. Axillary vein itself continue as subclavian vein, and subclavian vein will meet up with the internal jugular vein here to form brachiocephalic. Which side? This is of the right side, right brachiocephalic vein. So now we have to see the cords of brachial plexus around the axillary artery. Can you identify axillary artery? इतना काम खत्म करोगे, ठीक है? Axillary artery को ऊपर जाएगी. This is also axillary artery. Yes or no? Yes. Now lateral to this cord is the lateral cord, lateral to axillary artery. Then we will move towards the medial side. This is your medial cord on the medial side of the axillary artery. Now the posterior side, सब कुछ reflect करने के बाद this cord. This is the posterior cord of brachial plexus. Medial cord, ठीक है?
Yes,
medial cord, axillary artery, lateral cord, और उसके सबसे पीछे ये वाला posterior cord of brachial plexus. ठीक है? So this is lateral cord, remaining of lateral cord. From this, one branch is going into this muscle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is your coracobrachialis muscle. Which muscle? Coracobrachialis. And this nerve is going to pierce this muscle. Yes or no? It is going
Yes, sir.
inside this muscle. So this is what? This is musculocutaneous nerve. It is going inside it is piercing the muscle which is coracobrachialis. This is how you're gonna identify musculocutaneous nerve. It is piercing the coracobrachialis. After piercing, it will give branches to biceps as well as brachialis muscle. So this is what? कहाँ गया? This is musculocutaneous nerve. Now, can you see this? This is the lateral root of median nerve. Which one? Lateral root of median nerve. Median nerve, this is the median nerve which is formed by two roots. One is the lateral root and one is the medial root. Yes or no? दिख रहा है? This is what? Lateral root of median nerve and this is median root of medial nerve. Median root is coming from the medial cord. See? This root is coming from the medial cord. Like this. Medial root is coming from medial cord. Lateral root is coming from lateral cord. Lateral cord, and both roots will unite and form the median nerve, which accompanied by the brachial artery. So that's your brachial artery. This is medial cord. This is medial cord. This is the root which is joining the median nerve here. So this should be the medial root of median nerve, and rest of the medial cord will give these two branches. See, 1, 2. Yes, no?
Yes.
So this is your medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. This one is ulnar nerve. Here is the posterior cord. This is the posterior cord, lying posteriorly to axillary artery. Here is the axillary artery. This is a posterior cord. Here, this posterior cord will give rise to number of branches. One is axillary nerve. So that's your axillary nerve. See, this one is axillary nerve. It is also going towards the deltoid muscle and it is going alongside your posterior circumflex artery. तो जैसे posterior circumflex artery चलती है, दिख रही है ये वाली? कहाँ गई? ये वाली दिख रहा है? This is posterior circumflex artery and it is going alongside axillary nerve. See, posterior circumflex artery, and this is posterior circumflex artery and this is axillary nerve. So it binds around the surgical neck of humerus and it will supply to the deltoid muscle. This is deltoid. Okay, so that's axillary nerve. Remaining part of posterior cord, after giving axillary nerve, the remaining part of posterior cord will continue as the radial nerve. This is your radial nerve. ठीक है? ये radial nerve radial groove में जाएगा and posterior side of your arm, वहाँ पे muscles को supply करेगा.